Sunrise Senior Living Services Honest Review. Watch before choosing senior care is one of the most emotional and important decisions families make. You won't believe how much quality can vary between facilities. Sunrise Senior Living offers assisted living, memory care, and senior housing communities across many regions. Their focus is on comfort, safety, and personalized care plans. Residents receive help with daily activities like bathing, meals, medication reminders, and social engagement. The surprising truth about senior care is that social connection plays a major role in mental and physical health. Sunrise facilities provide structured activities, group dining, and on-site medical coordination to improve quality of life. For example, memory care residents follow specialized routines designed to reduce confusion and anxiety. However, costs can be higher than smaller local facilities, and availability depends on location. If you are looking for professional senior living with structured care, Sunrise can be a reliable option. Subscribe now for more honest lifestyle and care service reviews.